Let's be honest, if you ever looked around and thought, I am doing a lot, but I still feel lost, you are not alone. I've been there, multi-passionate, overwhelmed, and scared of wasting time. But the truth is, figuring out your path does not require perfection. It requires honesty. So let's talk about it. I used to think not knowing exactly what I wanted meant I was behind. But in reality, most people are just winging it. Society just tell us, just pick one thing and stick to it. But for people like us, that's a trap. It's hard being a multi-passionate person already, and now having to just stick to one thing, but your mind craves for a lot. These aren't failures, they are signals that you're building someone else's dream or a version of yours that no longer fits. 5 questions to find your true path. Take a screenshot of this, journal them, talk about them with a friend, and that's how your path becomes clear. I started with business, I switched to finance, and I explored content. I thought about travel at one point, but the moment I gave myself permission to evolve, that's when I found peace. I didn't found one thing. I created something that allowed me to be all of me. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to move with curiosity, courage, and a little more strategy. And if you need someone to figure it out with, I'm right here. Subscribe for more videos like this. Comment your biggest struggle in figuring it out, and I'll respond to everyone. Until I see you on the next episode, I remain Reni Abbas, your financial cheerleader and your finance girly. I'll be seeing you on the next one. Bye.